So, at the last BBC Gardeners World Live, I created a garden called the Chef's Table. But on top of that, I had chefs come over and we were talking food and cooking, and there's this beautiful synergy. Plus also, they cooked for me, which was absolutely brilliant. So out of that was born this idea that maybe at the show we could have a tasting table where people can rock up, they can sit round, they can be entertained by the chef, they can watch him cook, I'll talk, pull the whole thing together, how we grow, how we cook, then they can eat. It would be really fun. So, it's going to happen. And I think it's going to be absolutely brilliant.